Got a Chevy? Hey, what are you burning over there?
I don't know. Piece of fuck.
Anyways. What'd you do?
Burn myself.
Do you like to play with fire now? What happens when you play with fire?
Get burned.
Yes, we do. Anywho, got that on camera. Drip, 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 drip. Starter, starter, starter. Where's the starter on this piece of shit? I don't know. I'll find out here in a second once I finish dripping my oil. Look at all the salt all over the truck. Too much salt. Salt. Not good. Oh, butt shot. And she's still burning stuff. Kids. Hey, I'm trying to make a YouTube video over here. All I hear is burning stuff. She never stops. Okay. There's that. Now, I have to get under here. Ooh, crack. Huh. Oil filter should be up there. Right above you. Here, let me get some light. There. There it is. There's the filter. Yeah, okay, that way. Huh. I can get through the filter to the side. Ah, jeez. Oh. She's going. There. There she goes. I better back the camera off before it started leaking. Okay. There she goes. Pissing away. Oh, wow. Hey, honey, what do dinosaurs do?
Nah, go chomp.
Chop. Alright, we're oil filter. I'm actually going to take off this filter and drop it. There he goes. All over my hand. In the bucket. All over my hand. Well, Yeah. Well, time to get the new filter. Gator? It comes down something.
Station designed by you. Enjoy it every day. Radio 104.1 WMRQ.
Oh yeah, good song. What? Napa Gold, same filter I'm using in the Corvair. Alright, I'm gonna go put the filter on and button this Chevrolet up. And I gotta fix this. Correct. Alright, see you later.